Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to the Bank of America mobile app so you can access your account securely from your phone. To get started, download the Bank of America mobile app from the App Store if you're using an iPhone or from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. On the login screen, enter your Bank of America user ID and passcode. If you've already set it up, you can also use Face ID or fingerprint login for faster access. After entering your details, tap Sign In. You may be asked to verify your identity using a one-time code sent to your phone or email, especially if you're signing in from a new device. If you've forgotten your user ID or passcode, tap the Forgot ID or Passcode option and follow the steps to recover your login information. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to your accounts, balances, transactions, and other banking features within the Bank of America app. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you log in to the Bank of America app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.